In the world of men's health, this month is focused attention on prostate cancer awareness, and for a very good reason. And here from Owensboro Health Medical Group, urologist Dr. Corey Johnson has more on the importance of prostate screening. Welcome to Lifestyles.
Thank you, Angie. I'm glad to be here.
This is such an important topic. What do you want people to know about prostate screening and why it's so important?
I think it's a very important topic because some of the things about prostate cancer that may be kind of a misconception is that it's a common cancer but not all that potentially dangerous. And I think that the biggest thing that I would stress today, let's talk about estimates for the year 2022.
Okay.
In 2022, it's estimated that around 270,000 men would be diagnosed from prostate cancer, but 35,000 men can also die from it. It makes it the second deadliest cancer found in men, only behind lung cancer. So prostate cancer is something that needs to be screened for and then in effect managed with the cooperation and participation of a physician. So in terms of screening, it's a very common cancer, yes, but it also has a real potential to be lethal. And that's why it's such an important topic for us to focus on.
And, you know, with early detection, your chances are so much better.
That's correct, yes. It's a very manageable disease. I think that, you know, screening is important for any potential cancer because the earlier we can detect these, the more manageable they are. And in some circumstances, trends have even changed away from aggressive treatment towards management that overall improve a person's lifestyle and protects them from some of the potential harms of treatment. But unless you are actively screening for the disease, then you can't offer those treatments. And the further the disease progresses, the more advanced it becomes, the more dangerous it becomes, and the more limited treatment options are. So effective early screening is the key to helping manage those numbers.
Tell us about the program you have coming up for free screening.
This Thursday in Owensboro at the Owensboro Health Urology office, we have trying to return to some normalcy from prior to COVID.
Right.
We've offered a free men's health screening for prostate cancer. So eligible men between the ages of 50 and 70 are entitled to a free screening with a physician that includes some lab work, a simple examination, and a discussion about prostate cancer and its potential threats to those individuals. But this is something completely free to the population. There's no cost to them, and eligible men are between the ages of 50 and 70.
Do they have to make an appointment, Corey?
We do. We request that they make an appointment, and we have a number that we're going to provide with you all to allow the audience to screen, and we are more than happy to take participants right up until Thursday before the screening because we're excited to offer that to our community again.
It would be interesting to see the results from that screening since you haven't been able to do it in a while, to see how many people came and what you found.
That's right. And I'm hopeful, you know, all of us in the medical community have noticed that we've seen real untoward outcomes from some of the restrictions we faced during COVID.
Sure, of course.
And people were less likely to seek care. We were all scared and confused about COVID. But now that hopefully we are returning to some state of normalcy, we want to get back on top of screening and making sure that people are healthy.
Thank you so much for telling this today. And if you have someone you know, someone in your life, or maybe it's you, this is your opportunity to be screened and protect yourself from prostate cancer. Thanks, Corey.
Angie, thank you so much.
We'll be back with more Local Lifestyles after this message. Please stay with us.
This portion of Local Lifestyles is sponsored by Owensboro Health.